Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi problem in your device Vivo Y77. So if in this device Vivo Y77, if you are having any problem related to the Wi-Fi, like your Wi-Fi is not working or not connecting with any other device, so I'm going to give you a few tips that you can use to fix your Wi-Fi problem right now. So before we kick on to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's watch the video and let's fix your Wi-Fi problem.